How to activate Bank of America credit card online. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Now over here you're gonna find the search box. Type in Activate Bank of America credit card and then search for it. Different website links will appear. Go ahead and click on this one. Activating your credit card. Open it. You will land to this page. Bank of America activating credit card online. Here you're gonna find two options. Already using online banking, not yet enrolled in online banking. In order to activate your credit card online, you will need to firstly enroll to online banking. If you already have an account, click on this option, Sign into online banking, type in your online banking credentials and log into your account. But in the case you haven't created your online banking account, click on the option of Enroll to online banking. Let's get started. Now you have to fill this, provide your card or account number, last 6 digits, and then type in your SSN number or TIN number. If you don't have your SSN number or TIN number, you can click on this option and get it. Once you fill this, click on continue, and in the next page you have to provide all of your details, and with that your online banking account will be created. After you create your account, you will need to log in. You can navigate to this page and click on Sign into online banking, type in your credentials and log into your account. Once logged in, you will find the section of credit card. You have to go ahead and click on it and then activate it. So this way you can easily activate Bank of America credit card online. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.